Hello guys. Welcome to my channel and I am back here with a new video about future of diesel cars in India. So without any further delay, let's start the video. In current times, cars in India mainly run on petrol, also known as gasoline, diesel, compressed natural gas abbreviated as CNG, liquefied petroleum gas abbreviated as LPG, biodiesel and E20 fuel, which is a blend of petrol and ethanol. Now let's talk about which fuel is better from a driving enthusiast point of view. Here I will be talking only about petrol and diesel, as all the other fuels are not that power generating. Choosing between petrol and diesel is a personal choice, as some people like the torque rush present in the diesel cars, but some on the other side don't like the sound produced by it. But if you want me to go by facts, petrol is any day favorite of many people. Positives of petrol engine are likely to be performance, as petrol cars have higher acceleration and top speeds compared to diesel's cars. Other positives will be the great exhaust sound, low maintenance costs, and how can you forget about strict norms introduced by the Indian government, which give an extra star to the petrol by making it to run for 15 years while diesel cars are allowed to run for only 10 years. Now let's learn what makes diesel vehicles so bad for the environment. A diesel engine emits higher amounts of nitrogen oxides and particulate matter. These nitrous oxides promote acid rain and petrochemical smog. It also reacts with VOC, volatile organic compounds or light hydrocarbons, and sunlight, which result in the formation of ground-level ozone. Now that brings us to a most interesting section of this video. Future of diesel vehicles in India. Now, according to the reports given by Energy Transition Advisory Committee abbreviated as the EDC, diesel-powered four-wheelers should be banned by 2027. They also said to phase out all the 2- and 3-wheelers with internal combustion engines, or in simple language petrol and diesel engines, by 2035. The committee also suggested not adding any city buses that are not electric by 2030. So, all these strict measures are also helping to end the diesel era. But what about car makers? Why are they still making diesel cars then? Honestly speaking, most of the car brands like Maruti Suzuki, Honda and many more are now focused on hybrids and petrol engines which can run on more ethanol-blended fuel. Now on to the conclusion. I will say that diesel vehicles don't have a future now. Yes, I admit that this transition from internal combustion engines to EVs will take time, but for that time period ethanol-blended petrol and hybrid engines will be preferred by the government, thus ending the whole diesel industry. That's all in today's video. I hope it gave some knowledge to you. If you liked the video, then please consider subscribing to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thanks for watching.